Hi everyone, my name is Alon Maid. I'm 26 years old. I'm going to show you guys how you get this beautiful mint green hair by only using one product. You can find it at Sally's. It's called Strawberry Leopard. You want to make sure that your hair is pre-lighted already. I love this semi-permanent hair dye because you don't need to use developer. All we're going to be using today is this dye, a little tint brush, and a ball. I'm going to be using today half a bottle, and I'm going to go right ahead and throw that into the bowl. You also want to make sure that your hair is dry. It works best when your hair is dry. Obsessed with this brand, Strawberry Leopard. It is completely vegan, which is 100% the way to do it. Cruelty-free. But this Strawberry Leopard that has like conditioner within the formula, so as you're dyeing your hair, you're also conditioning your hair, which is unheard of. So now we let it sit for 20 minutes and let's see how it's gonna look. I love how this turned out. The color is so beautiful, exactly what I wanted, and it's super simple. You can do it at home. You don't need to go anywhere to get it done. Yeah, I love it. Ready to slay, and yes, I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.